Okay, I'm going to show you how to open your zip-away travel tray. You want to just unsnap these pockets here, and then take your main zipper, open it to the edge of the second desk, and you're all set. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to attach the stability strap. You just take your strap, if it's not already attached to your zip-away travel tray. You'll want to clip the first end into the first buckle, and you'll want to just slide it right behind your car seat, booster, whatever you have, and you'll clip the other side, slide it down, and it's nice and secure. Okay, just highlighting one of the cooler features of this tray. When we tested these units, we found that most trays didn't have a big enough tablet section to hold the larger tablets. So we designed this to hold virtually any size tablet. And you can see here it's got a port on it, which is great for headphones, but also works for power cables. So if you need to plug in the iPad and let it charge, or if you want to have headphones in use, this port here will make that super easy and convenient. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to store your zip-away travel tray. So you would just unsnap the stability cord here, and you can store that anywhere. You can leave it attached. I like to stick it in a pocket. Then you can go ahead and take that same zipper that you used to open it, zips all the way around. You want to snap these back in place. And you're all set. Okay, I'm going to show you another neat feature of this tray. These pockets are generally kept this way when open, so that while it's open they can be accessed and things can be put in there. Now when it's this way, things are still secure because it's got this elastic strap here. But a neat feature about this tray is that these attach via these 4 buttons. And these are all metal buttons, so they're not going to wear out on you. But while it's being closed, while it's being used while closed, you can actually rotate the bag and reattach it via the 4 buttons. And now these bags can be accessed while it's closed. Okay, I'm going to show you another great feature of this tray. So people buy this tray for different reasons, and there may be times where you just want to use the tablet holder. So in those times, you would unzip the base unit, the desk, and it comes completely off. You can go ahead and unsnap these metal buttons here, and then just detach your tray. And you've got a tablet holder with a headphone port or power port. So here's the tray being used just as a tablet holder, and I'm just going to point out a couple things. You actually still have access to 3 of the main pockets. So you have these pockets on the side, and you have this zippered pouch here, which will attach back to the desk via these metal buttons, but can also just be convenient when using it just as a tablet holder. And of course you have the port there that gives you access for headphones or power cord.